Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Binance account. For that, just go and open your app and go straight to your login page, and there you need to tap on forgot. There you need to go on your login page, and there you will see forgot password. Just click on that and enter your email address or phone number, and then you have to enter the verification code sent to you, and there you can set a new password. And if you have lost your 2FA device, you need to go on your login screen and click security verification unavailable button, and after that you need to tap on lost 2FA device and follow the prompts. You will need to pass identity verification KYC, which may include uploading a government issued or a selfie video. And if you lost your email or phone number, use the forgot account appeal form and provide, if possible, you need to provide the original email and phone number and KYC document and the proof of transaction to prove ownership. And that is how you can recover your Binance account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for